around the world today, we see the increasing human population, we see urbanization and the water crisis. It is estimated that 70% of our freshwater usage goes to agriculture. Also, we see a lot of children not getting proper nutrition, being malnourished. So, when we put all these problems together, we land up in another problem, that is the global food crisis. Now, we see an increasing trend these days that more and more people are moving out of agriculture into more technical sectors and industrial sectors. So, with all this, we need to put an end to this problem. And the solution to this problem is going to be none other but the vertical farming. The concept of vertical farming was first of all developed by Dr. Dixon Depomier of Columbia State University. Now, vertical farming is basically an industrialized version of our conventional farming. In conventional farming, the production is done on a single layer, whereas in vertical farming, the production is done into multiple levels, just like in a stack pile arrangement. So, additional to that, in vertical farming systems, the internal environment, that is the temperature, the pH, the light, humidity, everything is internally controlled by artificial systems. So basically, there is no crop failure related to environment, just like in flood or in drought, because everything is controlled internally. Second is that hydroponic system is used here for nutrition to the plants. So basically, no pesticides, no herbicides or any other such stuff is used in vertical farming. That's the second benefit. Third, since hydroponic system is used for agriculture here, it decreases the usage of water by 60%. Yes, I'm saying it again, 60%. So basically, all our freshwater reserves will be saved by this method. And lastly, since we are having a stack pile arrangement, like growing in multiple levels, because of this, we can use the proper utilization of our land. The density of crop production increases to multifolds, just like we can have a crop production of about 516 times more compared to the conventional farming system.
The mission is to build farms and cities all over the world so people have access to fresh, great tasting, highly nutritious. A lot of people say, sunless, wait, plants need sun. In fact, the plants don't need yellow spectrum, so we're able to reduce our energy footprint by doing things like reducing certain types.
Now, after discussing the benefits of this idea, there are many questions that are still a mystery to this project. Firstly, we are aware that in conventional farming, the bees, the insects are the natural pollinators. But in this artificial system, since we don't have any natural pollinators, how will we make it feasible to grow the plants that grow by cross-pollination? Secondly, since we are controlling the entire internal environment ranging from light to temperature to humidity and everything, will it be possible to grow high value products such as saffron or coffee or other medicinal plants, since they will make this idea highly economical? And thirdly, when we move towards vertical farming systems more and more, will it have any effect on the food chains and the natural biodiversity of the farm related animals, like earthworms or bees or anything? However, these projects holds a great future if these questions are solved, because we are aware that countries like Saudi Arabia or other West Asian countries spend over $40 to $70 billion each year just to pursue their goals of farming and to achieve an independence in agriculture. So, if we are able to solve these three basic questions related to vertical farming, trust me, this is going to be the future.